Hey guys, what's going on? Crypto Marco here, and I know that the markets are really looking bad right now, but in this video we'll take a look at 5 ways how you can make a profit despite the market being really down. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below, because among everybody who's commenting, I am giving away a small amount of Litecoin in each of my videos. So if you want to participate, just leave a question, feedback, or whatever, and with a little bit of luck, you'll be the next one to win 2 enchanted dollars in the form of Litecoin. So good luck. And now the first thing that you can do is find hidden gems. So if you aren't aware of the fact, once upon a time, like a few years ago, Bitcoin was pretty much a hidden gem, because in the year 2010, the worth of Bitcoin was pretty much very close to like nothing. Like there was an auction going on in 2010, 2011, in the forum where somebody wanted to sell 10,000 Bitcoin for $50, but there was nobody who was interested in buying them. And if you probably know that 10,000 Bitcoin today would mean a world. So of course, many people right now they would say like, okay, we definitely have had this huge rally, and a lot of coins are like, worth a lot right now, but there are no hidden gems anymore. And I couldn't disagree more, because despite the fact that there are now a lot more eyes on cryptocurrencies, and people are becoming more and more interested in cryptocurrencies, I still believe firmly that there are many coins out there that are hidden gems and that will become really worth a lot one day, especially because during the phase we had in December and January, there was just unproportionately a lot of money coming into the market, and almost all of the prices were really like pretty much bloated, even though there was nothing behind this huge increase in price, that the market was just looking for a reason to dump all those prices. And while right now it might seem that we're in a depressive phase and it won't go up anytime soon, this is ultimately, in my opinion, the time where you should purchase coins or tokens, simply because of the fact that when they're going up, when everybody is talking about them, when people are making videos on them, then it's too late, because you're probably buying them for a premium. You're probably buying them for a too big price. You're paying too much, and buying coins on an all-time high is like pretty much a guarantee for losing money. So if you are looking to invest into cryptocurrencies and you haven't done so far, I think that right now is the perfect opportunity. Maybe the market will go down a little bit more, then of course the opportunity is even better. But basically, you're not investing when markets are going up, you're investing when markets are really, really, really down and broken. Next up, we have play ICO Detectives. So during the phase of December and January, where we had this huge rally, there were all kinds of ICOs going down, and still there are a lot of ICOs happening every day. But back then, like, there was almost no ICO that would not like reach its hard cap within very short amount of time, and then sell out really quickly. And people had all these expectations of 10-folding, 100-folding their investment in ICOs, and while some did deliver on that promise, most of them didn't. What you have is an atmosphere right now where ICOs themselves don't have that much money anymore like they used to do in December and January, so they're more picky with their marketing. And of course, also people are not really sure about cryptocurrencies right now, many weak hands going around, and people aren't as willing to invest in ICOs as they were in December and January, and that leaves a lot of projects not reaching their soft cap, maybe hard cap. Some don't even reach the soft cap, and some ICOs also extend their whole ICO period, but still, just because of the fact that ICOs are getting less interest today, attracting less interested people, doesn't mean that the projects have got worse. The only thing that's changing right now is that the structure of how people invest is different, and basically you have really to dig in to ICOs to find good ones. Like, you have seen my reviews on how I do my ICO reviews. I take a good look at the structure. I take a good look at the business. Is it an already existing business? How transparent is the team? Is it transparent at all? Like, that's one of the dead giveaways in my opinion. If you can't seem to find a team within the ICO, then you should be really careful. But in my opinion, right now you can get a lot of Ether for very small amount of fiat currency, and I think that right now is still a great moment to invest in promising ICOs, especially once they get listed and the market goes up. I'm sure you're going to make a great time. You're going to have a great time with your ICOs. Next up is, of course, improved technical analysis. So many of you probably don't even do technical analysis, so-called TA. But okay, basically, what is technical analysis? If you're not familiar with it, basically with technical analysis, you're reading the chart, for example, of Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever cryptocurrency you have out there, and you're trying to get as much information on where the price will go in the future from reading the chart. So for using that, you have a lot of tools that you can use. You have indicators, you have like all kinds of drawing tools where you can draw fancy stuff into chart. Like, people go overboard on that and draw a lot into it. So depending on your personality, people also trade differently. And while basically technical analysis is not everything that you can do to make profits on trading, in my opinion, it's really important to base your decisions also partly, at least, on technical analysis. So it's kind of similar to poker in my opinion. Many people consider poker to be a gamble where you basically whether or not you win depends on luck. And while for a few hands that's true, extend that period to years of living, and there are people out there that are making a great living off of poker. And the same thing goes for technical analysis. Like, if you want to do a trade within like a few minutes, then you might win or you might lose, and it's basically dependent on luck, because the market can do a very small movement and then you're out. But if you are willing enough to do the work and get your elbows dirty and get into technical analysis, then right now, where there's not a lot of noise in the market, I think that right now is a good moment to do so and improve your technical analysis. And while we are at the topic of technical analysis, you can also try scalp trading. So there are different forms of trading. You can do it long term, you can do it short term, and many people think that day trading is the shortest form of trading, where you open a position and close it within a certain day. Scalp trading is actually even faster because you only use very small movements, and the clear advantage of that is that the market almost always provides small movements, and it's less likely to get caught up in bad news, and then the market does a move that you don't want, and then you could just get caught up with that. So the chances of catching a bad swing like momentum is a lot smaller. And basically scalp trading is something that you can do always, but the only thing you basically need to be aware of is that when you try out to day trade, when you try to do you trade cryptocurrencies for a living, you should not expect to make a profit from the beginning. The only thing that you should strive for is to learn on how to survive in the market actually, and really try to view every trade you do as a learning experience, and not to try to make a trade off of everything you do. And but that's definitely something that requires a lot of experience. And my channel right now, we're not doing technical analysis on my channel. Here and there I'll touch on it lightly, but this is not a channel about technical analysis. So next up we have a crypto job. So there have been born a lot of jobs in the cryptocurrency space, and it's great if you are already interested in cryptocurrencies to get a job that is kind of related to cryptocurrencies. So the probably most famous website out there for finding crypto jobs is cryptojoblist.com. Basically, of course, it helps if you have programming knowledge, but on the other hand, also if you can do marketing, if you studied somehow economy in your university, or you have some kind of good reference, you did your own project, then I'm really sure that you can actually find a job in the cryptocurrency space. And the best thing, in my opinion, is that you really get a behind the scenes kind of look what's going on in the cryptocurrency space, and you get a deeper feeling of everything. And it's just, I think if you are already interested in cryptocurrency, it's a great way to turn your hobby into your job. So that's pretty much everything I had to say for today. So thank you very much for watching this video. Always keep in mind to invest responsibly. Everything in this video is my personal opinion and not financial advice. So cryptocurrencies can go up really fast, and they can also go they can go up and they can go down really fast. So keep that in mind. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have a question, because among everybody who's commenting with his Litecoin address, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to never miss a video, and share it with friends and family if you have anybody in your family who's interested in cryptocurrencies. And now let's get into the juicy part of the giveaway, because as you know, in every video I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. And just check out my face on this frame where I froze it. I kind of have a talent for you know, pausing the video at a really stupid moment where I look like a ugly guy. Robert. Forgot the past and we think about the future. Bull run. The new investors came to crypto in December month. They are selling their coin. We will wait for old investors to start the bull run. Well, right now, if there ever will be a moment for institutional investors to get interested into cryptocurrencies, I think it's right now, when the market is not that volatile and is really cheap to get in. So I really hope that this summer will be our crypto summer and that we will go to the moon. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, leave it a thumbs up and comment, and good luck investing. See you next time. Bye bye.